Given the current real estate landscape, the world landscape of high interest rates, people are unfortunately foreclosing on the mortgages and people's stress levels are heightened. Thankfully, it's coming down a little bit and hopefully starting to level off eventually. The real estate market has actually stayed very strong and very steadfast, especially when we're talking about residential. During COVID, thankfully, most of the industry is bulletproof because we are part of the essential services, and lots of my clients have actually grown through COVID. Now we're pushing into these high interest rates. There is a lot of companies who unfortunately got caught with these $50, $100 million loans and have had to go and either sell off their projects or foreclose on their loans. Now, how does that look in terms of hiring people and attracting people in that landscape? The interesting thing is when you're looking at the real estate market, the talent market is about 3 or 4 months behind. So this is the trend that we noticed. When the real estate industry was going like gangbusters, the talent industry, people's expectations of their wages were astronomical. I remember interviewing this one candidate who was 2 years of experience and wanted almost 100K. And I almost fell off my chair. The real estate industry is going to go like this. The talent market is going to be right behind. Now what's happening when the real estate industry is taking a little bit of a dive in terms of the interest rates and hesitancy in the market, the talent market is starting to come back down and settle, and people's expectations of their salaries are starting to level off. And the unfortunate part, people who did take those massive salary bumps during the uptick, they are wildly exposed because now on their payroll, they're overpaying for these types of people, and now they're likely going to be on the chopping block, unfortunately. But in terms of the overall market landscape, the residential real estate is extremely strong. We're seeing a lot of things coming into in the industrial industry as well, but the rental market is wildly growing. That's not slowing down anytime soon. A lot of our developers had shelved their projects temporarily while they tried to figure out these interest rates. Now they're pushing really hard and developing a whole bunch of new projects, especially when you're looking at Southwestern Ontario, Kitchener, Waterloo, Hamilton areas. It is very strong in terms of the real estate market.